Hey guys, Kris Gethin here, the CEO of Kaged Muscle, and today I'm introducing our new product, Ferodrox. This is a testosterone matrix, and I'm going to go through the ingredients. To begin with, 600 milligram of KSM-66. This is the patented form of the ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is known as an adaptogen, which means it increases the body's ability to handle stress and fatigue by maintaining hormonal balance. KSM-66 is the best ashwagandha extract in the world market today, in a sense that it is the highest concentration of full spectrum extract. Studies have shown that those who take ashwagandha showed a greater increase in testosterone levels, upper and lower body strength, upper body muscle size, and fat loss compared to the placebo. It has also been shown that those who take ashwagandha showed a decrease of the stress hormone cortisol. Another patented ingredient in this product is 200 milligram of LJ100 Tongadali. LJ100 is a safe, unique, standardized, patented, rigorously science-proven proprietary nutraceutical. The benefits come from the standardized herbal extract, Tongadali, also known as Eurycoma longifolia, which is sustainably harvested from the rainforest of Malaysia. Tongadali extract contains high levels of several steroidal saponins which help increase testosterone levels. It restores normal test levels by increasing the release rate of free testosterone from its binding hormone, sex hormone binding globulin, otherwise known as SHBG. It encourages favorable anabolic balance and has also been shown to positively influence the catabolic-anabolic ratio by reducing cortisol levels while maintaining normal high testosterone levels. It has been shown to positively influence the catabolic-anabolic ratio by reducing cortisol levels while maintaining normal high testosterone levels. It's also completely safe for women to achieve greater well-being, energy, and vigor without negative side effects. 200 milligrams of Prima V is also in this product. Prima V works synergistically with KSM-66, and that's why we are using 200 milligrams of this ingredient. We also have another patented ingredient in here, 30 milligrams of L-Opti-Zinc. L-Opti-Zinc is a patented form of the highly absorbable zinc. L-Opti-Zinc is a 1,1 complex of zinc and methionine, an amino acid that is well absorbed by the body. Research studies show that L-Opti-Zinc is better absorbed than other forms of zinc, that plasma levels remain higher compared to other zinc forms. Zinc is a nutritionally essential trace element, meaning that you must get it from the diet. It's important in many cellular signaling events, including those associated with building muscle and hormonal maintenance. We also have 120 milligrams of diindolylmethane, otherwise known as DIM. We use a special form of DIM that is super clean and pure, solvent-free manufacturing process. DIM taken by itself in a regular capsule is useless because stomach acid destroys it before it can get absorbed. DIM taken in our unique delayed release capsules and combined with bioprene significantly increases the bioavailability of DIM. DIM positively influences estrogen metabolism. It helps to regulate the amount of estrogen that your body produces. 10 milligrams of bioprene is in this product. Bioprene, which is a patented piperine, maximizes DIM absorption in the intestines and boosts the bioavailability. Now, all of these ingredients are within our delayed time release capsules. We use an innovative delayed release vegetable capsule, which delays the release of the technology, allowing the capsule to bypass the stomach and release the ingredients directly into the intestines. The complete release occurs after 20 minutes after the onset of release. This significantly reduces the opportunity of the ingredient degradation compared with standard immediate release capsules. So hopefully that is giving you an understanding of this world-changing testosterone booster, Ferodrox. So now you can understand and appreciate that we have a testosterone booster that is proven to work for you.